Welcome to DryBox. DryBox Training Experience Center dedicated for food dehydration business aspirants. DryBox is export oriented Pune based food dehydration machine manufacturing company. It is using very latest and novel technologies for manufacturing their dehydration machines. DryBox hosts practical training and incubation program every month. Training infrastructure have ample parking space, hygienic restroom. Center is fully equipped with central air conditioners with large high definition projection screen for stunning experience of visuals and audios. Full-fledged practical kitchen equipment and studio for food photography and videography. Participants have full access to machines and equipments. They can feel novel technology impact on the end quality of the dehydrated products. Center provide good quality and hygienic food, water during entire training session. Training interactions are well conducted by various subject matter industry experts. Well organized question answer session for one-to-one interactions. Participants experience immense satisfaction of their transformative learning. Your small investment will have a big impact on your food dehydration business journey.